This is to demonstrate the Miele Alavac 5000, especially suitable for people with dust allergies. It's got an easy starting motor that you can just press with your foot. And note the sensor light that comes on. When it shows you whether your carpet needs cleaning, so it goes red when there's still dust in it, but note that the green. I was quite impressed with this because when I tried the piece of carpet under the table that doesn't get used very often, it was showing green all the time. Included is the dust bag. There's no indication in the instruction how long this is going to last, but I looked online and it does say it seems to be a reasonable price when you can order from Miele some spare ones, and it comes with filters. On the top here is a dust bag change indicator, which is quite good, but there's no indication to how long that's going to last. This clip here is some tools. All very handy, haven't tried them yet, but easy to store away. Well, I did it. My assistant is obviously not so. There we go. So we get rid of that one. Right.
You try and keep going.
For ease of picking up, it's nice and you can carry it, and the head, when you transport it, clips in to the side panel here, so you can unclip that. There we go. And my friend here has done that without any prior knowledge.
So what's she saying? You've got no knowledge of it?
And that's it.
God,
I only had this for 2 days, so you'll have to sort of forgive me for not being that knowledgeable, but I'm very impressed. The carpets have come up absolutely superb. Really pleased with it. And I got this from AO.com, and they've been excellent in their delivery service and customer care. Thank you.